As Illinois prepares to enforce face coverings for nearly everyone in public, in Wisconsin, it's only a recommendation.
I know that a number of jurisdictions have done this. It's not something that we have chosen to do up to this point. If we see the need to do it, we will do it.
Governor Evers did not respond to Illinois Governor Pritzker's face covering requirement. Here in Milwaukee, Mayor Barrett says it shouldn't take a mandate.
I think if you're in a situation where you can't safely social distance, and that might be places like grocery stores if you're doing something, clearly from a common sense and from a health standpoint, it makes all the sense in the world to wear a mask at that point.
Medical professionals I spoke to agree face coverings would help in crowded situations, but disagree whether or not people in Wisconsin should be forced to wear them.
If we were all to wear a mask starting today or tomorrow, would that get us back to work sooner?
One size fits all approach is really not the way that we're going to be shutting down this pandemic that's going to antagonize people.
I can say that I highly recommend it. I haven't heard anything from our governor or other health officials to say that they're going to mandate that in Wisconsin, but we do know from the CDC guidance that is what's recommended for people to do when they cannot maintain the 6-foot social distance.
Well, Carolina, face masks are not mandatory in Wisconsin. What do those experts say is most important for people to stay safe?
Yeah, so they say people need to be staying home when they can, social distancing, obviously, and of course, good hygiene, hand hygiene, Patrick, are all very important steps to staying healthy and getting Wisconsin back on track.
Caroline Reinwald reporting live in Milwaukee. Caroline, thank you.